Okay, so I just want to make a quick video addressing the topic of business tax write-offs, because I think a lot of people don't really understand what that means, what tax write-offs are and how they work. For starters, I think the correct terminology would just be a business expense. But with these business expenses or tax write-offs for business, it doesn't mean that you get the money back. I think a lot of people think that, if they go for a meal for business and they call it a tax write-off, that they don't have to pay that the government is just going to give them money back. But that's not how it works. So basically any expense that you make for your business that's legitimately for your business can be claimed as a business expense or a business tax write-off. And what that basically does is it reduces your net income of your business, right? Because your business has sales, which is the revenue, and then you have your expenses to operate the business. And the difference is the net income. And on the net income, that's what you pay taxes on. So every time you have a business expense, you are creating more expenses for your business and therefore reducing your net income for your business. And when you reduce your net income, you reduce the amount of tax that you have to pay forward to the government at the end of the tax year. So it's not that you're getting money back, you're getting free money, you're being compensated for that expense. It's that you're having to pay less forward to the government because you've reduced your taxable income. So for example, let's say your business income for the year 2023 is $100,000 and you have all these expenses you add up. You want to make sure that you claim all these expenses so that you can reduce your net income. But when you add up all these expenses, let's say your business expenses for the year were $30,000. Your net income for the business is $100,000 minus $30,000, which is $70,000. So your taxable income for your business is $70,000. And then how much you're taxed on that depends on your jurisdiction. Where do you live, which country, which state, which province, and also what type of business do you have? Because there's a difference in how corporations are taxed versus sole proprietorships. But so within that example, let's say that you go and purchase a $300 computer desk for your business. You'll want to claim that as a business expense. That's a legit expense. If you're using it for business, it's in your office, that's fair game to claim. So you should really claim that. And now with that $300 expense, it's a tax write-off again, but you're not getting $300 back. You've really just reduced your net income by $300. And so if your tax rate is, let's say, 25%, you're just having to pay $75 less in tax because you made a $300 purchase. So you're not necessarily getting compensated for purchasing this chair. You're just reducing the amount of money you have to pay forward because you had a business expense that then reduces your taxable income, which reduces the amount of tax you have to pay forward to the government at the end of the tax year. So hopefully that makes sense. It's tax write-offs or business expenses are not as good as some people seem to think they are. Of course, they're important and you want to claim everything, but it's not free money. You don't get paid back for purchasing things for your business. So yeah, hopefully that was helpful, and just comment below if you have any other business related questions.